everyone, my name is Survishi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this look right here, and also it's very interesting because I'm going to create this look just using 3 products, and you can literally create this look in 2 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So for this makeup look, I'll not be using any concealer or any foundation. It will be very simple, so you can wear it on daily basis. So the first product that I'll be using is a sunscreen. So I am going to use this sunscreen. If you have seen my sunscreens video, then you know that I love this sunscreen. So I'll just apply sunscreen first. This is such a good sunscreen, and as you can see, it really melts into the skin and it has no white cast whatsoever. So sunscreen is done and you can see how glowy my skin looks already. Next, I'm going to use a lipstick, and I'll tell you why. Because I can use a lipstick on my lips and my cheeks as a blush, and also on my lids to give a monochromatic look, and I love that look. I live in that look always. So I am using this lipstick from Nykaa in the shade 01 Bombay, and this is my current favorite nude lipstick. So yes, I love blush a lot. I'll only use my fingers. You can use any lipstick that you like, but I would suggest you to use a nude lipstick so that it will suit you if you use it as a blush. And but if you use a red lipstick also, then it's okay. So you'll have to use a little of it, not this much, or else you'll look like a joker. So you have to keep that in mind, that which kind of shade you are using it. Yeah, that's it. And now something that is left on my fingers, I'll just run my fingers over my eyelids, and yeah, you can see it has given a little tint and I like it. It is not looking very much, but this is how my skin looks. So the next product that I am going to use, and this will be the last product. Yes, you guys, I'm only going to use 3 products and that's it. So the last thing I'm going to use is a mascara, obviously, so we don't look like a sleeping bag walking around. So yeah, I'm going to use this My Glance mascara, and I don't know why people don't use this mascara. It's so good. I kid you not, it is very good mascara. It's not that affordable, it's around like 800 or something, but it's very good. I really can't focus on the camera while applying my mascara, so just ignore my weird expressions. Can you see? This is just one coat. So see what a huge difference a mascara makes. It has literally opened my eyes. So this is the final look, you guys, and yes, it's that simple, and this is the most wearable look that you will find on the internet, and it's very easy. You can literally do it in like 2 minutes. I had to explain to you guys, so it just took me like 5 to 10 minutes, but you can literally do it on the go, even in your car, and I just love this look.